So hi everyone, I am Jeke today, and I'll be taking you through a lesson on screen sharing on Zoom. And welcome and enjoy this lesson. So we'll be able to learn about sharing the screen on Zoom application platform. We'll be able to learn about the procedures or the steps of sharing default screen and specific windows on the Zoom platform. By the end of this, you will be able to remember the steps of screen sharing on Zoom application platform. You should be able to understand the process of sharing the default screen and specific windows on Zoom application. Finally, you should be able to apply the procedures of sharing screen in Zoom presentation. Now, here we have our assessment rubric. The successful student should be able to remember all the 5 steps of screen sharing on Zoom meeting application platform. Should be able to describe all the 5 steps of sharing the default screen and specific windows on Zoom meeting application platform. And finally, the successful student should be able to demonstrate how to share the screen independently, both the general screen, the default screen, and the windows, other windows, pop-up windows. Now, let us begin our lesson. Now, what are the steps of sharing the screen? The first is the toolbar. You need to know about the toolbar. You need to know about the Zoom pop-up window. You need to know about sharing the entire screen. You need to know about sharing individual windows. And then you need to know about the share button. So we have 5 steps that will follow in demonstrating how to share a screen on Zoom. Now, let's begin the process of demonstration. So first, you look at the bar there, the bottom bar. What do you see there? You see the elements that actually use in Zoom. So you see the mute, you see the video, but the share screen is closer to the chat. There is a green button there with an arrow, and you press it. When you press, as you have looked for it on the green button, what will happen is next you look at the pop-up window. And this pop-up window has 2 important things to look at. And first is the blue screen on the other side, number 3. Then the other one is share. So you press the share. That would mean that you are sharing the entire screen on your desktop, meaning that all the tabs that you'll be maneuvering through will actually be seen by your viewers. Then the second element is to look at the sharing the individual screens. And down there you have examples of individual screens. And you can search for more of them and click share the see more windows if you are not able to see the window that you want to share. And once you have found it, then you go to step number 5, which is share. So this is the process of sharing a screen in Zoom. Now, assessment. List 5 steps of screen sharing on Zoom meeting application platform. Describe the 5 steps of sharing the default screen and specific window on Zoom meeting application platform. And now, the final assignment is that you take a video of your screen where you demonstrate how to share default screen and an individual window in Zoom meeting. Enjoy your assignment.